Did you know that not all SUVs are created equal? While some offer thrilling performance, top-notch safety, and unbeatable reliability, others leave much to be desired. As 2025 approaches, there are a few SUVs that simply don't make the cut, with issues ranging from poor fuel efficiency to lackluster handling. In today's video, we'll look at the top 10 worst SUVs you shouldn't buy in 2025. Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento might look like a stylish and spacious SUV with plenty of features, but it comes with a troubling history of reliability issues that make it a poor choice for buyers. These newer Sorentos are particularly prone to transmission failures due to the complicated dual-clutch transmission, DCT, which Kia has chosen to use on non-hybrid models with the 2.5 turbo engine. Despite its attractive design and feature-packed interior, the high risk of engine and transmission problems makes the Sorento a vehicle that should be avoided by anyone looking for a dependable and stress-free driving experience. Chevrolet Trailblazer. The Chevrolet Trailblazer struggles to justify its higher price tag when compared to the Chevrolet Trax, which is essentially the same vehicle, but offered at a much lower price. This makes the Trailblazer feel overpriced, as you're essentially paying for very little extra value. In terms of quality and overall reliability, the Trailblazer can't compete with its more capable competitors in the same class. One of its major weaknesses is its small, turbocharged three-cylinder engine, which is both overly complicated and overstressed. However, considering the reliability issues, high price, and lackluster performance, you would be better off shopping elsewhere altogether. So when it comes to the Trailblazer, the extra money you spend doesn't provide the added benefits you'd expect, making it a poor choice for anyone seeking a long-term, hassle-free vehicle. The Ford Bronco Sport. The Ford Bronco Sport may seem appealing with its rugged design and adventure-focused marketing, but it has several significant issues that make it a disappointing choice for many buyers. Its base engine, a three-cylinder, turbocharged EcoBoost, has a troubling reputation for reliability issues, including reports of severe failures such as engine breakdowns. This engine is underpowered and overworked, making it less likely to last in the long term. On top of that, the Bronco Sport comes with a hefty price tag that doesn't align with its features or performance. It also suffers from rapid depreciation, meaning buyers may lose significant value on their purchase within a few years. Considering these issues, the Bronco Sport is a risky investment that fails to deliver on its promises, making it a poor choice for those seeking value, reliability, and practicality in an SUV. The Ford Escape. The Ford Escape, like the Bronco Sport, suffers from significant drawbacks that make it a less than ideal choice for many buyers. Sharing the same mechanical platform and engine options, the Escape is equipped with the same three-cylinder, turbocharged EcoBoost engine as standard, which has a troubling history of reliability issues, including reports of severe engine failure. While the four-cylinder EcoBoost engine, available in higher trims, offers slightly better performance, it is still plagued by concerns about long-term dependability. These issues, combined with its history of mechanical problems, make the Ford Escape a less attractive option in a competitive market. Buyers looking for a dependable, family-friendly SUV would be better served by exploring other vehicles with proven reliability and value. The Volkswagen Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas, despite being a spacious and seemingly family-friendly SUV, has its own serious drawbacks. Volkswagen's reliability track record is inconsistent, and the Atlas is particularly known for issues with its electronics and turbocharged four-cylinder engine. The smaller Atlas Cross Sport is even less appealing, as it lacks the third row of seats found in the regular Atlas, but retains the same high price, offering less practicality for the money. Additionally, Volkswagens are expensive to repair, with maintenance costs comparable to luxury European brands, making the cost of ownership surprisingly high, especially after the warranty expires. Both vehicles are plagued by high costs and reliability issues, making them poor options in their respective segments. The Volkswagen Taos. The Volkswagen Taos stands out as one of the worst small SUVs currently available, with a range of issues that make it an unwise choice for most buyers. At the heart of its problems is the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, which is not only underpowered but also known for its high complexity and expensive repairs, creating headaches for owners as the vehicle ages. Despite its compact size and low entry price, the Taos fails to deliver the value, comfort, or dependability expected of modern SUVs. With competitors offering far superior reliability, better driving experiences, and higher owner satisfaction, the Taos falls to the bottom of its class, making it one of the least advisable SUVs to purchase. Buyers looking for a small SUV would be wise to explore other options before committing to the Taos 4. The Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. The Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross is one of the worst SUVs on the market, plagued with numerous issues that make it a poor choice for buyers. It has an uncomfortable ride, lackluster performance, and outdated technology that feels far behind its competitors. Under the hood, the Eclipse Cross is powered by a small 1.5-liter turbocharged engine paired with a Jatco CVT, the same type of transmission used by Nissan, which is known for reliability issues and costly repairs. While it might initially seem affordable, the Eclipse Cross fails to deliver quality, reliability, or peace of mind, making it a risky and potentially costly investment. With so many better options available in the compact SUV market, the Eclipse Cross is best avoided. The Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is a disappointing choice for anyone looking to buy an SUV, and it comes with several serious drawbacks that make it a poor investment. Jeep's build quality has declined significantly in recent years, and the Grand Cherokee is one of its lowest-ranked models. This is especially true for the 4xe plug-in hybrid version, which is plagued with major reliability issues, making it the most problematic variant in the lineup. To make matters worse, Jeeps are notoriously overpriced, and while dealers often offer steep discounts in an attempt to sell them, even these reduced prices fail to justify the risks. While the Grand Cherokee might initially appeal with its rugged looks, luxury features, and off-road capability, these qualities are overshadowed by its long list of flaws. Buyers seeking reliability, value, and peace of mind would be better off avoiding the Grand Cherokee and exploring more dependable options in the SUV market. The Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass is undoubtedly one of the worst SUVs you can buy in 2025, suffering from nearly every issue imaginable. Much like the Grand Cherokee, the Compass is plagued by poor reliability, subpar build quality, and high prices that simply aren't justified by what it offers. It fails to stand out in any category, whether it's comfort, performance, or features, leaving it overshadowed by better options in the compact SUV market. Additionally, Jeep's ongoing issues with customer service and frequent mechanical problems make owning a Compass even more of a headache. For buyers looking for value, reliability, and a quality driving experience, the Compass is a poor choice and one of the least advisable SUVs on the market in 2025. The Dodge Hornet. The Dodge Hornet has proven to be a major disappointment for the brand, and it's safe to say it has failed to capture consumer interest. Essentially a rebadged Alfa Romeo Tonale, the Hornet offers nothing new or exciting, with both vehicles being nearly identical except for the Dodge badge. With its unappealing design, subpar quality, and high price tag, the Hornet is one of the slowest-selling vehicles on the market, and it's no surprise why. If you're looking for a reliable, well-built vehicle that will hold its value, the Dodge Hornet should definitely be avoided. Its lack of appeal and all-around shortcomings make it one of the worst options out there. After discovering the top 10 worst SUVs of 2025, would you still take the chance of buying one? Let us know in the comments below. If you want more content like these, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future updates. Until then, take care of yourself. See you in the next video.